Welcome to the ADHD Mind, a space for ADHD, creativity, and personal development. Decluttering tips for ADHD. I used to schedule all my cleaning on the weekends, then found it too overwhelming when I left all of my cleaning to only 2 days out of a week. I have since then found a better method to help with decluttering my home, which I will share with you all in today's video. When we wait until the weekend to do all of our house chores, it will turn into this huge mountain to climb. Consequently, the less likely we are going to do it. For many of us who worked hard during the week, cleaning the house is not something we really look forward to doing on the weekend, when we are both mentally and physically exhausted. We'd rather spend our time winding down from a stressful work week, or do something fun, going out to see our friends or family. Then we will keep procrastinating on this task, since there's no urgency, and continue to live in our messy environment and feeling frustrated with ourselves at the same time because we truly want a clean house but can't make ourselves do the work. It always seemed too overwhelming, too daunting, and we don't even know where to start. So we just continue with our busy life and put it off as long as we can. Clutters not only negatively affect our living environment, but also our state of mind. For me personally, seeing clutters everywhere in our house makes me feel anxious and unable to focus on my work. I now find that it is more effective to spread out my cleaning during the weekdays instead of leaving everything to the weekends. In order to incorporate cleaning into our weekdays, we need to somehow make it go seamlessly with our existing habits. The easier and quicker the cleaning task is, the higher chance it will get done during the week. If you've read any books on forming habits before, you know that we as humans usually follow the path of least resistance. Therefore, to make this new habit work well with your existing schedule, it has to take us a minimum amount of effort, 2 to 3 minutes tops each time. Anything that requires more effort and longer than that, you may give up sooner than you think as the weeks go on. Cleaning can be done any time of the day, any day of the week, without the need to schedule it only for the weekends. You may want to save bigger tasks for the weekends if you feel that it is too much to do during the week. I'll give you some examples on how I overcome my own struggles with cleaning. Number 1, clean laundry piling up. I normally don't mind doing laundry every week because all I need to do is to put dirty clothes in the washing machine, then walk away and do other things while it's doing its job, then transfer the clothes to the dryer. However, folding clean laundry is what I dread the most. It's just so tedious and taking too long. On a good day, I might get caught up with folding my clean laundry, but lots of the time, our clean clothes just stay in this giant basket in the middle of our room for weeks, and it is impossible to get motivated and fold all of them and put them away where they belong. This has definitely created chaotic mornings in our house when we couldn't find the shirt or pants we're looking for when it was time to leave for school or work. I have since then came up with a new way that has helped me tremendously in putting away our clean clothes. Each time I'm going into a room, I pick up 3 to 4 items of clothing from the clean basket and put them away. My kids' room, my bedroom, my husband's closet, and it doesn't take me more than a minute. It may not look like much is done, but it surely does add up. By the end of the week, it's all finished and one less chore to do on the weekend. Some people find it easier to tolerate when they fold their laundry while watching their favorite show. Time will go by much faster. Number 2, declutter my workspace. Each time I'm going downstairs, I'll take 1 to 2 items with me to the kitchen, for example, dirty mugs, plates, or garbage. For the pile of unopened mail, I try to open 1 to 2 every morning as a habit and file them right away. It will become less overwhelming. Number 3, cleaning the bathroom or any room. I'm sure many of us struggle with the all or nothing mindset like I do in many areas of my life, including cleaning. I can't just wipe out the sink and mirror and leave the rest of the bathroom untouched and call it a day. I either want to clean the whole bathroom or wait for the motivation to come another day if I don't feel motivated enough yet to do the job. And you all probably know how it works. I realized that if I keep waiting for the perfect moment to clean the whole bathroom, it might never come. Why don't I just do whatever I can with the energy and motivation I have right now and call it done? Even if that means only wiping down the sink and the mirror, or any other smallest things I can do at that moment. Done is better than perfect. Then I can catch up with the rest of the cleaning next time. Do what you can here and there. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Number 4, getting rid of things we no longer use. I've been wanting to get rid of a lot of stuff in the house that we no longer use, and they've been sitting there collecting dust for years, but never found the motivation to do it, or the right moment, according to my ADHD brain. So I've tried something different this time. I put 2 large garbage bags in each room I want to declutter, one for donation, one for discard. Each time I walk into one of the rooms, I will put 1 to 2 things in either one of those bags, stuff that can be donated or can be discarded. I try not to be overly ambitious, only doing it once or twice a day, and over the course of a few weeks, our rooms have much less clutters. And I don't have to schedule out a whole day or the weekend to do it. I just do it little by little each day whenever I can, and not putting too much pressure on myself. It's hard to miss the 2 giant black bags in each room, which will send me a cue to get rid of something at my convenience. I don't have to go out of my way to get it done, and it's been working great so far. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you all found this video helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more content on ADHD and personal development.